Right, just a quick thing I wanted to show you was some of the stuff I'd got regarding Bella. So we got Bella's ashes the other day, and that's the little box they come in. You can see how small it is. I was quite surprised by how small it actually was. It really did surprise me. But you know, well, I don't know. I just didn't thought it was going to be bigger for some odd reason. But that's a really nice little box, and now we've got Bella's ashes. One thing I wanted to show you, or say thank you for, was this. Now, someone sent me this, and I don't know who it was. So whoever sent me this, I truly do appreciate it. I really like that. It's actually made out of a little block of wood, and the silhouette of a dog has been carved into it. I really like that, so thank you to whoever sent me that. And I got a couple of little kind of keyring things for my birthday and that. My sister got me that one, and her husband. Now this is cool. Ryan got me this, and his girlfriend and the kids. Now I thought this was amazing. I hope this picks it up that you can see it. See that there? Picture of Bella on a keyring. It's kind of I don't know whether it's laser engraved or something. Oh yeah, and it's got something on the back. I can get that in shot. I thought that was excellent. Really nice. And then I got like a photo album with all stuff to do with Bella in it. Pictures. There's a picture of Sky and Bella sunbathing. A picture of Bella there. More of them. Do you remember when that sofa was outside? Pictures of them sunbathing, Bella in a little bed. Great pictures. Right, anyway, I thought I'd show you that because that was some cool stuff what I was really happy to get. And thank you to whoever got me that, because I don't actually know who got me it. Right. Right, so following on from Jim Gracie's hovering mousetrap, I thought of this idea. So it's actually the same trigger mechanism, but instead of the nut pushed in, we've now got a stick. Well, it's a shaped stick, and the intention would be that once that is pulled down, it should pivot out, and then that bit should fall down. So if I can get this in there, so you can get the idea. The only thing is, it's probably only going to work on rats and mice, because the more heavier the roof on this, the harder it's going to set the trap together, if you know what I mean. So that's the stick. Now you could either do that like a treadle plate with a flat plate on it, or tie bait on here, or have bait higher so they lean on this. You know, kind of stand on it. But there's that part. And it just sits in there like that. Pretty simple, really. Can't quite reach it. Oh, because I've set it up the wrong way, that's why. That's how I had it. Makes it slightly higher. yes, you can see the idea. So that might be something you could scale up, make maybe a little bit bigger, but it'd have to be worked out, you know, trial and error, see if it works. Right, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.